Hi foodies, welcome to another episode of FoodieTube. I hope you all are doing okay or the best that you can right now. I know that it's quarantine times, if you can tell by my nails. Look at that. I can't get them done and I'm not sure how to take them off. But in this time right now is really great for sharpening our skills. And what skill better to have than cooking, because you're always gonna need to eat. All right, so today in this episode we'll be working with BBQ Cauliflower Wings, which is a nice combination of tastiness, but you're eating cauliflower, so you get that nutritional benefit. So we're gonna put those two together and make a nice, easy, tasty meal. All right, let's go. So for this recipe, you're just going to need a few things. It's mainly barbecue sauce, cauliflower, your spices, and flour. So for my flour, I got regular white flour. You can use wheat if you want to. I don't know how that'll turn out, but if you want to get that some more fiber inside of your diet or in your wings, you can go ahead and use that option. I got the infamous Sweet Baby Ray's. I got a pretty big thing because I had a catering job and I guess I had some leftover. Grocery stores are kind of bare right now. I went with these Japanese style breadcrumbs, but I'm pretty sure they'll get the job done. You'll need some cauliflower. That's the main ingredient of this whole dish. Some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. You can have some chives for garnish. Some onion powder, that's it already. Some Lawry's. The salt by itself is, good enough, but I like a little more oomph. So if you want, Lawry's is pretty optional. Some Cajun spice. This is also pretty optional. I like a little bit of heat to my wings. And then some smoked paprika, which is also optional, but it does complement the flavor, both with real chicken and just about everything. I love smoked paprika. I also forgot you should have some almond milk, but water works perfectly fine too. Okay, so after you wash your cauliflower, you're gonna cut it up into little pieces like this. Well, that wasn't so little, but let's see, a little cute piece like this. So you get that wingy effect, like it's a boneless wing. From here, I'll grab my flour and all my dry spices and mix them in a bowl. The ingredients that I listed down below, and I'm just mixing up my dry ingredients so they evenly disperse. And next, I'm going to add my almond milk. It's a lot looser. I just don't want it to be like really thick. So I already done one. I took my pan and I greased it up and I dipped it in the batter and in my crumbs, my breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna just repeat that until they're all done.
How many times can you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life?
This is gonna be how your cauliflower should turn out. It's very, plain looking. It smells good, but very plain looking. We're gonna cook it and give it some color. It already has the flavor. After, you're gonna throw it in your oven that's preheated to 450 for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them in between. So they've been in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna take them out and flip them. Oof. They smell pretty good. So this is how they look once I take them out. So go ahead and flip them over. So this is the part where we take them out and coat them in some barbecue sauce. Alright, I started making some French fries, so I apologize for the frying and the sounds in the background. But after I added my sauce, this is my final product. You can go ahead and where's the other mid? Oh. But here we go. If you want, you can brush over some more barbecue sauce, but I did a pretty fair light medium layer. But yeah, and then at the end you're gonna go ahead, grab a bowl, your garnish, and if you like, some ranch or vegan ranch or whatever dressing that you make or have, and serve it up with that, or even by yourself. That's it.